Hey everyone, welcome back to Wheelwise Joe. Did you know one car single-handedly put the world on wheels and changed society forever? Stick around, because today we're diving into the legendary Ford Model T. The Ford Model T, often called the Tin Lizzie, was introduced by Henry Ford on the 1st of October 1908 and produced until May 26, 1927. Henry Ford's vision was simple yet revolutionary. Build an affordable, reliable, and easy-to-maintain car for the average person, not just the wealthy. Before the Model T, cars were luxury items costing thousands. But Ford aimed to democratize mobility. What made it possible? The moving assembly line, pioneered at Ford's Highland Park plant starting in 1913. This innovation slashed production time dramatically from about 12 hours per car to just 90 minutes. As efficiency soared, prices dropped sharply from around $850 in 1908, a huge sum back then, equivalent to over a year's wages for many, down to as low as $260, $300 by the mid-1920s. Over its run, more than 15 million Model Ts were built, making it the best-selling car in history until the Volkswagen Beetle overtook it decades later. Specs-wise, it featured a tough 177 cubic inch inline four-cylinder engine, producing about 20 horsepower, good for a top speed of around 40 to 45 miles per hour on decent roads. It used a simple planetary gear transmission with 2 forward speeds and reverse controlled by foot pedals. No complex shifting. The car was durable, lightweight thanks to vanadium steel, and incredibly versatile. It could handle rough farm roads, and owners often used it for everything from daily transport to makeshift tractors, or even pulling stumps. Interestingly, from 1914 to 1925, it was famously available only in black to speed up drying times on the assembly line. Though Henry Ford's famous quote was, "Any customer can have a car painted any color that he wants so long as it is black." It earned nicknames like Tin Lizzie and Flivver, and became a cultural icon with wild stunts like climbing Capitol steps or reaching Pike's Peak. The Model T wasn't the most advanced or luxurious car of its era. Its ride was basic. It lacked modern comforts, and later models faced competition from faster, more stylish rivals like Chevrolet. But its genius lay in simplicity, toughness, and sheer accessibility. It wasn't just a vehicle. It transformed how people lived, worked, and connected, sparking suburban growth, road infrastructure, and the middle-class American dream. Without it, the auto industry as we know it might have developed much slower. The Ford Model T earns a solid 10 out of 10 for historical impact. It didn't just sell cars, it revolutionized transportation, industry, and society. It is the ultimate pioneer that made personal mobility a reality for millions. If you enjoyed this look back at automotive history, hit that like button, subscribe to Wheelwise Joe for more car stories, classics, and modern rides, and drop a comment. What is your favorite classic car and why? Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Drive safe out there.